What if the pizza you've been ordering for years could be recreated in your backyard in just minutes, with that same smoky, crispy, restaurant-style bite? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best propane pizza ovens that actually deliver that experience without the guesswork, without the disappointment. From compact indoor-style solutions to full backyard powerhouses, every option solves a real cooking frustration. Stay until the end because the number one choice completely changes how fast and how good homemade pizza can get. And yes, all product links are waiting for you in the description below. Number 5, ZJYWSCH Koda 16. Protection first. Reality: most people don't realize the real enemy of outdoor pizza setups isn't performance. It's time and weather. One season of rain, dust, or harsh sun can quietly destroy your investment before you even notice it. That's where the ZJYWSCH Koda 16 cover steps in, a simple but essential layer of protection for one of the most widely used setups in the top 5 best propane pizza oven category. The moment you feel its 600D heavy-duty polyester, it doesn't feel like a light accessory. It feels like armor. Rain rolls off. Dust doesn't settle. Sun exposure fades into nothing. Even strong winds struggle against the bungee-secured base, keeping everything locked in place when conditions get rough. Compared to thinner covers that flap and fail over time, this one is built for long-term backyard survival. Yes, it's slightly bulkier to handle. But the trade-off is simple. Protect your pizza station or replace it. And for anyone serious about outdoor cooking setups, this is the kind of quiet upgrade that saves everything else. Number 4, Ninja Artisan. Control over chaos. Outdoor pizza sounds exciting until the heat becomes unpredictable. One side burns. The other stays soft. And suddenly that perfect pizza moment turns into frustration. The Ninja Artisan changes that entire experience. This isn't just a pizza oven. It's a multifunction outdoor cooking system that bakes, broils, proofs, and keeps food warm with precision control. But the real magic happens when pizza hits the stone. Within minutes, a golden crust forms evenly, no turning required, no stress, just controlled heat doing the work. Temperature flexibility from low gentle warming to intense baking gives it a level of consistency many propane-based systems struggle to match. The viewing window adds something subtle but powerful. You actually watch the transformation happen without breaking the cooking flow. Compared to traditional propane pizza ovens, it loses the live flame atmosphere. But what it gains is control. Predictability. Confidence. Perfect for families and entertainers who want less chaos and more consistent results every single time. Number 3, PIEZANO XL 14-inch, indoor surprise power. Not every pizza story begins outdoors. Sometimes the real struggle is inside the kitchen, where standard ovens simply don't get hot enough. That's where the PIEZANO XL 14-inch enters the conversation. And it feels almost unfair how quickly it changes expectations. Up to 800 degrees of stone-based heat transforms ordinary dough into a crisp, blistered crust in minutes. The ceramic stone doesn't just cook. It absorbs moisture, creating that pizzeria-style crunch most home ovens can't replicate. Top and bottom heat control adds another layer of precision, letting you adjust depending on thickness and toppings. Compared to outdoor propane pizza ovens, it trades fire and outdoor atmosphere for pure indoor convenience. No setup. No fuel. No waiting on the weather. Just plug in and cook. Perfect for apartment living, quick family dinners, or anyone who wants restaurant-style pizza without stepping outside. And honestly, it quietly replaces delivery nights more often than you'd expect. Number 2, ZJYWSCH. Precision meets automation. Most pizza failures happen in seconds. Too much heat in one spot. Not enough in another. Constant turning. Constant guessing. The ZJYWSCH removes that entire problem. Its 16-inch motorized rotating stone changes how pizza cooks at a fundamental level. Instead of chasing even heat, the pizza moves through it naturally. That means every edge, every topping, every slice cooks evenly without intervention. Reaching around 750 degrees in just minutes, it produces crisp crusts and balanced textures faster than most expect. The convection and infrared combination spreads heat in a way that eliminates hot zones, one of the biggest issues in outdoor pizza ovens. Compared to simpler propane pizza ovens, It adds complexity mechanically, but removes complexity mentally. Perfect for tailgates, backyard parties, and anyone who wants consistent results without babysitting the process. And here's where it really matters. Once you use it, manual turning starts to feel outdated. Number 1 Mimiuo 39 pounds, the heavy-duty performer. Some pizza ovens feel portable. This one feels permanent. At 39 pounds, the Mimiuo isn't just heavier. It's engineered differently from the inside out. That extra weight means thicker steel, stronger insulation, and a body that holds heat like a professional-grade system. And that changes everything. Because once it hits 900 degrees, it doesn't drop performance between pizzas. It stays locked in. The automatic rotating stone takes away the last remaining challenge. Uneven cooking. No turning. No guessing. No burnt edges. Just consistent, blistered, 60-second pizzas one after another. Compared to lighter propane pizza ovens, it sacrifices portability. But what it gains is stability, speed, and production-level output. This is the kind of oven you bring out when pizza night turns into a gathering. Families. Friends. Long evenings outdoors. It doesn't just cook pizza. It keeps the entire moment moving without interruption. And that's exactly why it stands at the top. The Mimiuo 39 pounds takes the crown. Not because it tries to do everything, but because it executes the essentials at a level most ovens don't reach. Fast heat. Stable performance. Automatic cooking flow. It removes friction from the entire pizza making experience. If your goal is consistency, speed, and that true outdoor pizza rhythm, this is the one that delivers it most reliably. And that wraps up our top 5 best propane pizza ovens breakdown. All product links are waiting for you in the description. If this helped you decide, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Because once you taste real backyard pizza done right, there's no going back.